Why do some Python methods use CELS instead of self? Here's what that distinction actually unlocks. Instance methods receive self, a reference to the specific object you're working with. Class methods use the @class method decorator and receive CELS instead, a reference to the class itself, not any individual instance. This lets them access and modify class-level state shared across all objects, like a counter tracking how many instances have been created. The primary use case is alternative constructors, also called factory methods. Suppose a date class takes year, month, and day and it's init. You can add a from_string class method that passes a date string and calls CELS with the extracted values to return a new date. This gives callers a clean, readable way to construct objects without overloading init with complex parsing logic. Because class methods receive CELS, you can call them directly on the class. No instance required. Compare that to static methods, which also skip instance creation but receive no implicit argument at all. Static methods can't access class state and don't adapt to subclasses. A class method called on a subclass returns that subclass type, making it inheritance-friendly. Reach for class methods when the logic belongs to the class itself, particularly for factory methods and alternative constructors. Follow for more Python interview prep. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.